This is a quick review for this Caraway 1 pound bread pan. This thing's great. It's a perfect little size for a small loaf of bread. We have been using it for quite a while now. I do love the color. This is the sage. They are available in a bunch of different colors, the same colors that go along with all the pots and pans that Caraway makes. So you can find a matching bread pan to go with your other Caraway products. This pan is great. First of all, like all Caraway products, it's completely non-toxic. It's PTFE and PFOA free. There are no lead or other chemicals or metals in this thing. It's a ceramic pan. It's awesome for that perspective. We love the Caraway line of products. It's perfect for us. We use it all the time to make bread. It doesn't require any oil or non-stick sprays. In fact, they tell you not to use it, and it just works fine. Just turn it upside down after it's cooled for a few minutes, and the bread just drops right out. So for that perspective, it's awesome. It's less oils. It's better for you, and being non-toxic, it's awesome. As far as dimensions, it seems a little bit smaller than other bread pans we've had in the past. The dimensions are 8.5 inches this way, 4.5 inches this way, and 2.5 inches deep. So that's the dimensions of it. Still makes a nice loaf of bread. We love it. We use it all the time. Like all Caraway products, it's got a 1-year warranty, and they're just awesome.